What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin Renegades, and tonight we're going to be talking about Bitcoin. It just blasted off from about 41,000 all the way up to 43,000. We went all the way down. We tested some previous, support, and we were able to hold strong. And I was worried because we kept hitting it over and over, and if that happens too many times, you will eventually break through. So this is huge for the price of Bitcoin, especially since I saw a giant bear flag earlier, and it is still there though, hanging over our heads right now. So we need to keep the price up, guys, and just invalidate that stupid little bear flag and keep going to the upside, guys. Before we get started, I just want to thank every single one of you guys for following me on all my social medias. My Twitter is growing, my Instagram, my Facebook, all of them are getting huge because of you. You're the best people. I can't thank you enough, guys. You are helping my YouTube dreams come true. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers in less than like 5 months, guys. So we are growing fast, and you are the best audience on YouTube. So what I'm going to do because of that is once we hit 1,000 subscribers, which is going to be, I think, by tomorrow. That's our last day is tomorrow. And then I'll actually extend the contest. But if we can get it by tomorrow, instead of only a $50 prize, I will give away a $75 prize, guys. That means I'm going to add 25 bucks if we can get 200 subscribers in one day. I think we can do it. We've got 60 in one day. That's our maximum before. So we'll only have to 3x our previous all-time high on the channel, and then that will give a $25 extra to the total $50 giveaway. So let's get it done, guys. We can make it together. Now, so what you have to do to enter the contest is go into the description below, and there will be a gleam. It's right below the description of the video. And it's the first thing that says, yo, when we reach 1,000 subscribers, $50 giveaway, join this. And then all you have to do is basically come back to the YouTube channel through that link and follow me and retweet on Twitter, and then do all of those things. And you can come back once a day, every day. And I'll actually show you what that looks like here in a second, and then we'll get to the sponsors right after that. So let me just get in here and show you real quick. I extended it already on here, the 29 days, but it's actually 28 extra days that I added on here. So we have one more day still for me to give away the $25 extra if we hit it on time. If not, I am going to add $1 per day up to $25 extra if we get to the 1,000 subscriber mark. Now, here's the condition on that. I'm going to make a condition on that. That way it incentivizes it, and it's actually profitable for me to do that, because I actually thought about this, and there's no win side for me to add extra money here if it takes longer. That didn't make sense. So what I'm going to do, I will do that for you guys if we hit 900 subscribers by tomorrow. So here's going to be the conditions, guys. And I had a lot of thinking, and I had to make it this way. So what I'm going to do is, if we hit 900 subscribers by tomorrow, I will add $1 a day to the pot, up to $25, like I said I was going to. Or if we get 200 by tomorrow, I will just give the $75. But if we don't hit either of those milestones, then we're just going to stay with the $50 giveaway. And I'm only doing that because I was just going to add extra money in there, and I want to incentivize it. So I will. But you guys got to earn it now, which we can do. You guys are amazing. We can get 100 subscribers in a day. We can do that. Maybe 200. So if everybody just does everything they can to, share, post, like, comment, and get this out there, then we'll get there no problem, because we've already got over 100 subscribers in the last week or so, last couple weeks. So we're doing really amazing, and we can keep it up. We can do it. So I have faith in you. I have faith in the contest. We got this, guys. We got this. Yeah. I do want to go here one more time and actually shout out our sponsors. Oh, here's my phone. Okay, I want to get his sponsor thing right. So let's go up here. Well, it keeps just going back to, yeah, I can't do it. It won't let me. So, but welcome to the team of champions. All faucets, all earning, no trash. Trashfaucet.com. And you can actually go and collect Bitcoin Satoshis. It has obviously other faucets that it has links for that you can go and find other faucets. And it sends it all the way over here to Express Crypto, which is a micro wallet. You can take surveys. You can play dice. You can do short links. You can earn all sorts of crypto on here. You can actually even exchange crypto, and you can give people crypto in the chat over there by putting a moniker in the beginning of the chat, just like a backslash, and then a code that you put in, and you can actually trade money in the chat over there. It's an amazing site. You guys want to get over there. I always have a link to Express Crypto below, and so is Trash Faucet. So you want to use both of these together to earn free crypto. Yeah. So, guys, I just want to let you know every like and comment and subscription makes me smile. It makes me happy, guys. You want to see this big old smile? Then like and subscribe. I'd be happy all the time. I know a lot of people like to give me guff about my smile, so I don't care. I'll show it even more. Because I don't care. 43,226. Look at that. We finally freaking started to go up a little bit, guys. It's good news for Bitcoin. We needed a little bit of good news. The thing is, we keep going up a little bit and then just stopping. Now, this inverse head and shoulders is getting really close to needing to play out here. It's actually forming a nice littler one right here as well. So there's a lot of inverse head and shoulders. Let's see where that bull flag is that I see here. Actually, I can kind of see it in this one too if I look correctly at it. Let's see, from this point down to this point, and from it would be this point to this point, right? So that would need to go longer. And then this would be the pole. Yeah, see, it doesn't look as much like it over here as it did on Coinbase. So I wanted to double check it. I don't think that was a bear flag. Fortunately, even if it was, it would, be maximum that much right here. So we would go down to, oh yeah, 30,000. So right where I said 31,000. So guys, there is a possibility that this is a bull flag right here. I don't know though. I just don't know. I don't think it is, and I don't want it to be. It looks like one, but we just went up too. So things are starting to look a little better. I do want to, let's just erase these. I don't care about that. I don't think that's happening. But I wanted to let you be aware of that that's a possibility. If we do break below 39.6, we have a possibility of going all the way down to 31. So let's not have let's gather the troops. Let's get together. After I put that video out, gather the troops, the price went up, and I think the troops got together, guys. So good job, everybody that bought Bitcoin and brought the price up. Congratulations, you helped to save Bitcoin from an early end to the bull cycle. So what we need, guys. I'm going to be doing a collaboration with another gentleman who talks about stocks and crypto, and yeah, it's going to be a really good video that we're going to make. So you guys are going to want to check that out. It's either going to be this weekend or next weekend for sure. I'm thinking this weekend. So you guys are going to want to check that out. It'll be my first collaboration video. It'll be with Disruptive Wealth. Disruptive Wealth creation or Disruptive Wealth. Not 100% sure the channel's name. Disruptive Wealth. You can see him in the comments of my video. I'll definitely put his link in the description, on the video that we do for sure. And if you want to check him out, check out in the comments of a couple of my videos. He will be in there as well. But I really think we're going to start to go higher. I want to look at these 4 hour and 1 hour and see just where we are. We might have just broke out of the inverse head and shoulders right here. We definitely have a certain double bottom breakout looking. Now that keeps happening. We keep going to this certain level and then bouncing off. So we just got above this moving average right here, which is the 50-day moving average. We are sitting above that. We're definitely below the 200-day moving average on the 4 hour. So we just got above this one, and hopefully we can turn it into support and stay up here. Things will start to look a little bit better. And let's look at let's see. Inverse head and shoulders. Let's see. I would say that would have been one. Now, if we break above this, that could still play out, but you could even say it's a bigger one, that this is a shoulder, this is the head, and this is the shoulder. So, yeah, if we can break above this level right here, which would be down at an angle like that, and if we're actually almost breaking out of it right now. Actually, if I would have went straight right here, we have broke out of it. So if we go a little bit higher, if we can get to 43.5, we're going to keep going, guys, because we just kind of broke a neckline of an inverse head and shoulders. We need to break it a little higher, in my opinion, and we need the volume to confirm it as well. So those things haven't happened yet, so no breakout, no volume, no confirmation, no pattern. So we just have to wait. That's the thing. We have to wait for these confirmations to go up or down, and then when they happen, you have to be ready for them. So let's look at the 1 hour chart on Bitcoin. I'm not straight TA. I'm just looking at it a little bit to see if we see anything of value. I'm not. A lot of these other guys have a lot better TA. I'm a quick TA, service level TA guy. That's it. If I see inverse head and shoulders, stuff like that. But yeah, look at this one. We have a nice little breakout on the hour. Let's see. Yeah, because this is lower than that. Yeah, we have a breakout right here on the 1 hour from the inverse head and shoulders right here. So I know it's real sloppy, but yeah, we have a breakout. Like I said, on the 1 and the 4 hour, I think that's a breakout, but now it's starting to go down a little bit. So we'll see. We got to watch out. Like I said, if we get to 43.5, I will say that's a confirmed breakout and we can stay above that. So look at the RSI on the 1 hour is getting up there now. It's at 66. It's not oversold yet, but it's getting there. So let's look at the 4 hour RSI. Okay, we're sitting at about 54. Not too bad there. And the daily, it's going to be low. Yeah, 45 on the daily. So this is the most important one, guys, and it is getting to be the middle of the week. We're sitting on Wednesday here, so yeah, we should start going up Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and I hope we're going to be up here by mid-October, and then November and December, January. Okay, so I did want to go in and look at some news with you real quick and show you what's going on in the crypto world. Check this out, guys. This is amazing. El Salvador takes the first steps to mining Bitcoin with volcanoes. What the heck, man? Oh, that's some clean energy right there, baby. El Salvador's president has said via Twitter video that the country started its project to use geothermal energy from volcanoes to mine Bitcoin. Oh my gosh, dude, that's freaking cool, guys. That is amazing. I might have to just use that for the title because that's freaking awesome. Twitter shares a sneak peek of its Ethereum NFT verification, so they're definitely bringing the NFTs over there. PayPal, Google execs to help the Bank of England understand digital currency. So this is, like I said, this is a technology shift, guys. You got to pay attention. So Bitcoin DeFi, it's a thing, and it is a thing. So that's why they have wrapped Bitcoin. That's why they use Ethereum DeFi. But this is the one I wanted to talk about for a minute. Why China's latest ban on Bitcoin is bullish for decentralized finance. Well, I can answer that question right now. Because when you tell people they can't do something legally, they're going to go to a place. If they can't do it from a legal exchange, you're going to push them to the decentralized exchanges. So where everybody is going to just go to Uniswap, SushiSwap, Sheeb Swap, all of those decentralized exchanges that don't have any regulators, and it's anonymous money. So that's why it's bullish for DeFi, because it brings more people into the DeFi economy, and they have to in order to trade. So there's a lot more fees that come from using SushiSwap and Uniswap and all of that. A lot of gas fees, a lot of purchase fees, token fees, and but it will definitely raise the price of these assets if you're holding them. So that is definitely amazing. Ethereum is magicians. Okay, I don't know what those are. But that's the news I wanted to talk about. I didn't want to go into a lot of this news. We already talked about the ETF. Axie Infinity is still doing amazing. The first couple of blockchain deliver a second act for Tezos. I don't know what that is. But guys, I am here to bring you the up-to-minute information. Now, I don't want to scare or bring FUD ever. Now, if you see one of my titles, like the earlier one that says emergency for Bitcoin, I explain in there kind of why it's not an emergency. But if this happens, to keep an eye on that. If this happens, it's an emergency. And I wanted to let you know that. And it wasn't an altcoin, so it wasn't like a buy emergency. It kind of gathered the troops, though, and people actually bought Bitcoin and the price went up. So either way, I didn't mean to do that, but that's what happened. So yeah, guys, I'm having an amazing time doing this channel. I thank you for it. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers. We're not stopping anytime soon, no matter if we have to make 1 million videos a day. We're coming for that #1 spot. BitBoy Crypto, scoot over, baby. Make room for the Bitcoin Renegades, because we're coming. We're bringing everybody with us, though. We're not trying to, be the person that goes to the top at everybody else's expense. That is not the way that I do things. That's never been me, and maybe that's why I might not get to the top if that's the way things are run. But I don't think it is. I think I can get to the top without, making enemies along the way, or without doing anybody else dirty, because that's not the game I play. We're all in this together, guys. Like, whether your channel is getting some of my views or my channel is getting some of your views, actually, when anybody is watching any of our channels about cryptocurrency, and it gets somebody to do their research and possibly make money and change their lives, and it's all worth it, guys. And we're all doing the same thing for the same reason. So I just want to thank all of those other creators out there. I know how much work and how much effort, time, and energy that goes into this. You literally put your whole life force into this kind of a thing, you know, like your creativity, your mind, your being goes into this for everybody else's benefit. And that's why, you know, that my channel is doing good, because I bear that. I show that part that a lot of other people don't get to see, the behind the scenes of, like, you know, yeah, we talk about crypto, but we're human and we're a community and we need to do this together. Why would I have a channel just talking at you? I want to talk with you. I want to engage you. I want to be interactive. That's why we call this the most interactive community on the web, because we do. Almost every single comment gets a heart, or at least a little bit of acknowledgement. If I'm really busy, all I do is heart and then go. But a lot of the times I like to answer the questions. I like to take the time to thank you. I like to, you know, take the little extra step if I can. I've been really busy lately. And so I'm not trying to neglect anybody. And I think that as the prices go up, I will get more energy, because I'm giving a lot of energy out even when the market's down. That's for you guys. That's to help keep your spirits up. When I come at you with that hard hidden energy and that excitement when crypto is really down, it changes your mood. It's an uplifting thing, and that's why I do it. I know what that's like, and that's why I really used to do good selling magazines door to door. It wasn't because I was selling what I was selling. It was me. It was making them laugh, making them smile, you know, just bringing them even in a better mood, just bringing that positive energy to wherever I'm going, whatever I'm doing. And that's what I try to do most of the time. I've been caught up in a big ball of negative energy lately, and I'm just, you don't see that here, but behind the scenes, there's a lot of negative energy going on, and I just change that. I come with the positivity, and it literally changes all of the negative energy, and it chases it away, guys. So just don't give up. All of you other content creators, thank you for everything you're doing. All of the people that like and subscribe to my channel, thank you guys. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate you guys taking your time to watch my videos, giving me those hours, because we need 4,000 hours of watch time, and we're getting close. And we need 1,000 subscribers, and we're getting close. So I can't do this without you, and it shows that when the community gets together and they want something like this channel, they want this to be here, you know, to make a mark, and they're gonna make it happen. So you guys are the bosses. Your thumbs up, your comments, your subscriptions, it's all up to you guys. All right, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!